In this video, you'll learn how to pay with a Visa gift card on eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully complete your purchase using the gift card as a payment method. Begin by searching for the product you want to buy using the eBay search bar located at the top of the homepage. Once you have found the item, take a moment to carefully review the description, price, and seller information to ensure everything meets your expectations. If the item looks correct, click the Buy It Now button to proceed, or if you are bidding on an auction, select the option to proceed with checkout after winning the listing. Next, you will reach the checkout page. Here, look for the payment options available. Select the option to pay using a credit or debit card. This option is typically labeled clearly on the checkout screen. Once you select it, you will be prompted to enter the details from your Visa gift card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the security code, which is usually found on the back of a card. It is important to ensure that the card has enough balance to cover not only the item cost, but also any applicable shipping fees. After entering your card details, take a moment to review the order summary displayed on the screen. This summary will show the total amount being charged, including shipping costs. Confirm that the balance on your Visa gift card is sufficient to cover this total amount. If everything appears accurate, you can proceed to confirm the payment. This is a crucial step as it ensures that the transaction will go through smoothly. Once you confirm the payment, the system will process your transaction. If the card balance is sufficient, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the payment was approved. At this point, your order will be completed and you will receive a confirmation email detailing your purchase. It is also advisable to check your email for this confirmation, as it serves as proof of your transaction and provides further details about your order. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.